Hi everyone, it's Realtor Steve from Living in Las Vegas, Nevada. That's my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please subscribe to it, as tomorrow's video is somewhat of a continuation of today's. So we're going to talk about the appliances in your home and how long they should last on average. Again, these are estimates, but it can help you determine when it might be time to start saving for that next new appliance. So dishwashers and microwaves, they usually last between 7 and 10 years. Refrigerators and your oven and range, about 10 to 15 years. Your washer and dryers, 8 to 12 years on average. And your hot water heater, 6 to 10 years. And your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, one that has a heat pump like we have out here in Las Vegas, usually lasts somewhere between 15 and 25 years. So if you know how long you have your appliances, that's great. You know when their average lifespan is about to come to an end. Sometimes there are exceptions, and you may get that dishwasher that lasts 15 years. But at least you'll have an idea of when it might be time to save up and keep your investment, your home, in tip-top shape. Okay, so if you like this, please subscribe to my channel, Living in Las Vegas, Nevada, so you can see the next video and all my videos.